Bello Kabir Kwantagora. I'll be showing you how to use Microsoft Word for beginners. Let's go into it. If you want to start Microsoft Word for the first time on your PC, you can go to the start menu of your PC and just go here and type Word, okay? And it's going to show you here. All you need to do is just to click on it. Microsoft Word is going to open. Now when it opens, you can see we have our pre-designed template here. You can actually use it in writing a CV, resume, letter, report, etc. okay. You can just click on it, and when it opens, you can just, from the pre-designed template inside, you can just start typing and editing just to fill in your own information, okay. Now for the sake of this practical, we're not going to use any of this template. As you can see, we have them here a lot. We're just going to go and use a blank document, okay. Just click on a blank document. Now this is the Microsoft Office background, okay. Microsoft Word background. As you can see, we have just a single page here from the top to the bottom of it, and you can see from our left bottom left we have page 1 of 1, okay. And we also have the menu bar, we have the file, we have the home menu, we have the inserts, we have design, layout. All of these are referred to as a tab, okay. Now each tab has what we call ribbons. As you can see, we have ribbons, and the ribbons are actually grouped, okay. Now we have the clipboard ribbons here, we have the font, we have the paragraph, we also have the style. On the insert tab, we also have the pages, the table, illustration, etc. okay. We have review. Now this is very important if you're starting Microsoft Word for the first time, okay. Now you notice that we have our ruler, one from the left and one at the top of your page, okay. When you start Microsoft Word for the first time, you notice that the rulers will be inactive. You just need to come to your view tab here and click on the ruler. Now when I check it, you notice that it has disappeared. Now this is how it's going to look like for the first time. So you just need to come here and check the ruler box so that your ruler comes in. Why do you need to do this one? Because you actually need the ruler to identify where the margin is starting from and the size of the header of the page. Now you can actually adjust the header. Say for example, I'm having a text inside my document, Fodex Enterprises, okay. Let me just do like this, okay. I have something like this. Now I'm gonna show you how the margin works, okay. Now from here, now the top ruler here, you can actually adjust the margin by just taking this backward. I'm reducing the margin line, and as well you can reduce the header, now the space at the top of Fodex Enterprises, okay. You can just reduce it from here. You notice that the text goes back up. Now this is how to adjust your page using the ruler. Now we have the home tab here, we have the clipboard for copy, paste, etc. We have the font to change the fonts, okay. Now if you want to check the font, that's the handwriting of the Microsoft Word. You can just select from the pre-designed font name here. You see, the moment you hover around them, you notice that they are changing automatically. All you need to do is just to click and select any one of your choice, okay. Now you can actually use this to increase the font size. As you can see, the size is increasing, okay. You can increase the font size also from here, okay. Let's just leave it at 20. Now you have this A's here. You can actually use this to also increase the font size. The big A with the arrow facing up, this indicates if you're increasing the font size by just clicking on it, and the other one is to reduce it also, okay. We have this other one. This tells you if you want to change the entire text to lowercase and uppercase. Now this is not going to change because of the font we select. Now if you want to see how this works, just change the font name. Now from here, when I select lowercase, you notice all the text becomes lowercase, okay. And when I select uppercase, you notice everything becomes uppercase. Now there is another option that makes only the first letter becomes capitalized. I just select from here and select capitalize each word. You notice that it is the F and the E that becomes uppercase. Okay, now this is how to change the entire content of your text. If you want all to become uppercase, just select it and just use this option. Now we have the B here to bolding your text, the I to make it italic, and the U to underline your text. We have other options by just clicking on this arrowhead facing down. You notice we have list of lines here. Just click on any of the line to select the line of your choice. Okay, these are some features you can actually use from the font tab. Now when you look at this ribbon carefully, you notice there's this tiny arrow just underneath each groups. Okay, now this is called the launch tab. Now there are some options that actually are not listed in these groups. If you want to see more of those features, all you need to do is just to click on the launch tab. You notice a dialog box with what display. Now from the dialog box you can see all the features related to fonts. Now this dialog box belong to fonts, that's why it's written here font. So you can actually select from each of these features if you want to perform any other tasks, and you notice the feature are not displayed on the ribbon. Okay, now we have other styles here. You can actually select from others from these styles and see your text changes, okay, from different styles. Now there is this other launch tab too. When you click on it, you have more of these what styles being displayed. You can just select from any of these and just click, and it actually appears on your document. Okay, now we have the insert tab. Also on the insert tab, as the name implies, if you want to add any other features or pictures, images on your document, all you need to do is just to come to the insert tab. Now okay, on the insert tab you can actually add a picture on your document. Say for example you go to the illustration tab, you click on insert picture on this device. Okay, this one, if you have a picture online you need to get into your document, you just click on this option. You have the stock images. If you have an image on this device, just click on the device. Is going to open a dialog box and takes you to other pictures. All you need to do is just to select from list of pictures here, and let's see, do we have any? I think I have some pictures stored here. No picture, sorry for that. Okay, let me just go with this icon. Okay, we have an icon here, insert. Okay, now we have this being inserted on our document. But there's one thing about Microsoft Word. You notice when you add this, the picture doesn't actually move. It doesn't move. Okay, there is a way you can actually fix this. Okay, all you need to do is just to click on this tiny box beside the image and select with text wrapping. So you are placing this picture to the front, and you notice now you can actually move this image around your document. Okay.